Hey parents, welcome to this video on the limitations of minimalism and the power of one-piece flow. So kindly my family volunteered to demonstrate the benefits of one-piece flow. So I'm going to talk you through the video we've made together. I hope you enjoy it, and also more than that, I hope you get some understanding of how to get real functionality in your kitchen or any part of your house that you apply this process of one-piece flow to. So let's get started. So here what you can see is our kitchen, and like many kitchens around the world, we have the cup section of our kitchen just jam-packed full of cups. Too many cups, more cups than are necessary. So this is what ends up happening when you have too many things. A lot of options there. So the kids come in, or the family members come in, and they have the convenience of using as many cups as they need to, and not really worrying about, running out of the cups or a shortage or anything like that. So it's very convenient, but the problem is, I'll just pause it there, that the result is dysfunction. People can't use the kitchen, there are cups left everywhere, and then somebody has to sort out the mess at the end, and it's just dysfunctional. So the result is dysfunction. That's the most common problem that a lot of houses I see and that I've experienced myself for many years have. Okay. Now, when you get fed up with this process, sometimes some drastic action is necessary. And here's my wife, and she comes in and she's had enough. Like many parents, they get to this point and they decide, right, we're going to put everything away and we're going to hide it. We're going to get rid of it, we're going to donate it, we're going to sell it, put it in the shed, whatever. So here are my family being very obliging and participating in this video. So decluttering, getting rid of everything. And now the problem with decluttering and getting rid of all the cups is this is what ends up happening. So although we have a minimalist cup situation where there are just one cup for each person, there's no discipline or no thought about what to do, and people end up stealing other people's cups, and the result is dysfunction again, right? Now I'll go back slightly because this is the part of the video. So this is what ends up happening when there is a focus on minimalism without really addressing one extra piece which is really important. And that is what I'm about to get to. It's called one-piece flow. Okay, so this is an illustration, rather than me explaining one-piece flow. This is an illustration of what happens when the family imbibes this idea of one-piece flow, and I'll just show you. So here's my daughter. She uses the cup, she dries it, and she puts it back. She uses her own cup. My other daughter uses her own cup. She dries it as well, and it's one-piece flow from the beginning. From the beginning, the family member uses it, and then it goes all the way to being back where it came from. Right? This is what we want people to do every time they use something, whether it be a pot or a cup. And at the end of the day, it's happy families, functional families. So I hope you got some value from that. Yeah, one-piece flow it's sometimes difficult to explain, but I hope through this example you get to see how, by training yourself and training others around you, how to start something and then take it through to its completion back to where it belongs in the first place. It really is the magic missing link. It's the magic missing link where minimalism in itself doesn't really solve the problem of people not taking the iteration of that item all the way back to its start point. So I hope that assists you. If you've got any inspiration from it, fantastic. Let me know how you go with your systems, and if you have any trouble implementing one-piece flow or sharing with your family how it works, please let me know. I'm happy to help you with any and all of those types of things. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later.